Don't yawn, seriously. Try not to yawn while watching this. The weird part is that just thinking about yawning can make you want to yawn. Scientists believe yawns are contagious because your brain automatically mirrors other people's actions. It is linked to the same systems that help us understand emotions and connect with others. That's why seeing someone yawn can trigger one in you, or even hearing the word yawn repeatedly can trigger one in you. If you're yawning right now, your brain just proved the point, and it has nothing to do with being tired. Contagion detected. Multiple people yawning in sequence makes the effect stronger. If you yawned, your brain just lost the challenge. Follow for more hidden brain mysteries.